Hi and welcome to CampaignTrackly. Today I'll show you how to grab a URL from any website by using our extension. Let's click on the extension, and as you can see, instantly we grabbed the title of your page as well as the URL, and we are ready to start adding tags. Let's do a quick search for the promotional channel that we need. In this case, it's Instagram Organic. And then we can proceed with picking a content tag and adding any custom tags that we would like to add. I will select TLC as a business unit. Keep in mind that if you have a required tag, you will not be able to continue unless you go back and edit. Now that you're ready, you can preview and save. You can test your link. You can also see if it has a GA code actively installed. And here you go. You're ready to start sharing it. Let me copy it, paste it, and you can see your full link. And this concludes our brief tutorial. Thank you for watching. Please like our video or email us with any questions. My name is Melina. I'm with CampaignTrackly. Have a great day.